Today we're going to take a look at 1491 Lanterns Rest Road in Arrowhead. It's a little neighborhood called Riverwalk Townhomes at Arrowhead. We are right on the Arrowhead golf course. This is a super cute, small townhouse community. I think there are only 6 buildings here. I love the colors. This is a true townhouse, not a condominium. You don't have anybody above you or below you. A little covered front stoop here. I like the stonework, stone and vinyl, so it's low maintenance. Got a nice foyer here with LVP flooring, smooth ceilings, crown moldings, recessed lighting. This townhouse was built about 7 years ago. And I love this main living area here. You've got this huge kitchen, granite countertop, stainless steel appliances, stepped up cabinets, lots of recessed lighting and natural light. Just one big, great room. This is so big. There's so much room in this kitchen. Love the countertops. There's a spot over here where you can have a little breakfast table if you'd like. Of course, there's also the bar top here. And this leads right out to your own private screened-in porch. And a pavered patio beyond. And then a lawn area, then the golf course beyond that. So you got a great view out the back here. So you've got a ceiling fan on the screened-in porch. Nice place for your grill. Crepe myrtle trees. But yeah, I love this. I skipped some of the doors here. Got a really nice sized pantry. This is also where the hot water heater is. And then you also have a single car garage here. So a nice garage. And last but not least on this floor, you've got your own powder room here as well. So you've got a half bath here for the guests, or for you if you don't want to go upstairs. But let's go upstairs and take a look. "14 steps up. Right at the top of the stairs here, you've got a nice big laundry room. Master suites here, we're gonna look at that last. So we're gonna take a look. This hallway here, you have not one, but 2 huge storage closets. And 2 nice sized guest rooms. Both these rooms have ceiling fans. This place is in really good shape. Closet 1. Guest bedroom number 2. Nice size closet here. Then we've got a guest bath, comfort height countertops. There's me, hi. Tub shower combo, ceramic tile floor. But look at this master bedroom. This is great. You've got a huge master here, tray ceiling, ceiling fan. I see so many townhouses that have little dinky closets for the master. This has a huge walk-in closet here. And there's even shelving and storage behind the door here. Then you got a great Covered balcony here. I guess they left behind these lights. That looks like a solar panel down there, but you got these lights, ceiling fan, covered balcony. Well, you can see the flowers on that crepe myrtle and the flowers on that crepe myrtle and the golf course right out here. This is just a gorgeous view. And this is really, really pretty. And then your master bath, again, comfort height. His and her sinks. You've got a huge garden tub and a nice step-in shower with a seat attached. So this is a great 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath true townhouse in Arrowhead. It has a single car garage, great location close to everything. Golf course is right out back. For more information or private tour, give me a call. My name's Jay Benoit with Century 21 Bowling. All my contact information is right below, but my phone number is 843-222-9135. Feel free to call or text me anytime.